Hi everyone, it's Dana from First Coffee Then Colors, your Hudson Valley color analyst. Today I wanted to show you the green test. So for those of you who are interested in trying to determine at home if you are warm or cool toned, which actually does help you a lot with figuring out your best colors, this is what I like to call the green test. So we're going to take, you're going to have to look for this item at home, and if you don't have it, then maybe next time you're shopping you can do the green test or borrow your husband's or your kids' or whoever's color this, like a forest green. So take the forest green color, put it up, and then the other color you're going to compare it to is this much warmer green, which is an olive green or a moss green. Okay? So find this somewhere around your house or store or wherever. You're comparing the forest green, or this pine green you could say, pretty close to emerald green, olivey green, or moss green. Okay, here's it on me. Okay, so right away I can tell this is not balancing whatsoever. Like, even though not a whole lot happened in my face that I can tell so far, but there's not a whole lot of balance between my hair, eyes, skin combination and the olive green. However, when I go to the forest green, there's a much better balance overall. So this I can tell like is bringing out my eyes. It looks like the light turned down in front of my face. My hair looks a little bit shinier. It's just overall much more balanced than when I put the olive green on. Okay? This is just doing absolutely nothing for me. Like, I see my jawline going down. I see the imperfections coming out more. I feel like I look more tired. I think I look kind of sick. The things that are totally different than I look in the forest green, which actually has become one of my favorite colors. Okay, so that was what I like to call the green test, which you can do at home to see if you are more warm toned or cool toned. All right, tomorrow we'll have another test. Bye.